It looks like we're dealing with a nice twin home here. We're out in New Richmond, Wisconsin. They're starting a new development out here of twin homes, so it's pretty sweet. Wow. All right, step number one before we start setting up gear, we want to make sure that all the lights are on in the entire house before we start shooting. Okay. Look at this basement, you guys. And this game room, come on. Looks like all the lights are good. So let's go upstairs and start setting up. All right, today we're shooting on my favorite camera, the Sony FX3. I love this thing. I just got this pretty recently. Got a 24-70 on it for the detail shots. But for the wide shots, we're gonna use this 10-18 millimeter by Sony. This is the first lens I ever bought for a camera. It works awesome. FX3, 10-18 millimeter Sony. We're gonna go ahead and balance this on my tilt-a-ring with my Ronin RS2. And we have the Atomos Ninja 5 sitting up top to record all of this beautiful footage too. Here's the battery for the Ronin. I'm gonna grab a battery for the Atomos. Power that on. This guy goes in the front of the gimbal. We have the green light on the DJI RS2, which means it's calibrated correctly. Full battery, full battery, full battery, so let's get to work. All right, you guys, so what I like to start with is coming through the front door shot. I know it's used a lot, but it just looks really good when you pan down and come through the front door like this. Makes for a really nice shot. And then I'll open and raise the gimbal into the kitchen. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that my exposure looks good out here, and it does. I'm gonna pull back all the way through, still making sure my exposure is good, and it looks decent all the way through. So I'm gonna move my shoes. We're gonna open the door like that. Let's click play on here, and here's the shot. All right, now that we got our establishing shot, I'm gonna move over to the other corner of the kitchen and shoot this way. Ooh, clean. Sheesh. Let's grab one more of this dining table. I'm gonna go up high for this. You know, we got to make that quick reel to post. All right, I think we got enough living room kitchen, so let's pop over to the first bedroom. All right, so what I'm gonna do for this is a reveal through the door. We're gonna go pan down and reveal the bed like that. Let's get it. Ooh, that's icy. I'm actually gonna stand on this chair like this and get a nice little high level different view. Boom. All right. Let's grab this bathroom. Beautiful. All right, everything in the basement has been filmed, so we're switching over to the 24-70 Sigma. In detail shots, you want to include small things like lights up top there, sinks, stovetops, refrigerators, small staging items. My arms get tired after carrying that payload, man. I gotta get one of those backpack things to put it on my back and they hang over the top and hold the camera for you. Ow. Oh. Ooh, come on now. That was fire. And we're gonna start with this lens so we don't have to switch out. So we have to change a couple settings on here first. This is a signature move here. Don't you go stealing this. You want to slam the camera to the floor like this and do the lowest angle possible. I'll show the shot in a second. It just comes out looking fire. So now, as we're going through taking the photos, this is the last thing we have to do so we can start shutting off lights. That one. I already finished in the kitchen so we can shut all these off. This room. I love this room, I don't know why. This actually looks like a sick shot, but... And it is. Oh, we'll use a low angle for this for sure. Dang! All right, one last trip downstairs, gonna get some pics, and then we'll call it a day here. All right, we're done, guys. Lights, lights, lights. I hope you enjoyed. This is how to shoot real estate with your boy, Tony Callan. Follow for more and follow to see the finished product.